to hard link, uh, even after deleting the actual file, the link would still work because it is connected to inode. And also, uh, when we run ls space hyphen lrt, hard link will not be shown as a link.
Can you repeat your statement for hard link and soft link?
So soft link, we are creating a link to already existing file so that we can access by just running the uh, link name. I mean, I'm just trying to explain the difference between the soft link and hard link. Soft link won't work.
Difference, difference you
Soft,
go later. You explain the soft link and hard link first. Then you explain the difference. What is soft link?
soft link, we are creating a link name. We are creating a link to a already existing file.
Okay, link creation is fine, but what is the definition for soft link? How it works?
I mean, if we create the link after, if we create the link, we can display the content of the actual file using cat space link name.
No, I'm asking definition for soft link. Is it the same way which I have given in document? Same similar definition I have given in the document. What is hard link? What is hard link?
Hard link, it also creates a link to already existing file, but when we delete the actual file, the link would still work. We can still access the content in the file.
Are you practicing all the commands, all the concepts?
Yes, sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, can you explain passwordless connection?
Sir,
Passwordless connection. Explain the passwordless connection.
so that we have done today, right? So, yeah. Uh,
Can you
we
close
have
your?
to, sir.
Are you seeing your notes?
No, 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 I'm not seeing my notes.
Okay.
Uh, After creating a server in AWS account, we are running.
Wait. Let me correct your definition. You have the account created. You have the server created. You
Okay,
need to be in the definition of the passwordless connection only.
okay. SSH space hyphen I space
Where you will
Linux.
run that? Suppose, let's say there are two servers, server one and server two.
Okay,
Explain.
okay. Then we have to create a public key by running uh, SSH hyphen keygen. Then it will generate the public key in server one. Then we have to copy that public key to the uh, .ssh folder, and in that authorized keys file, we have to add that link. Then we have to run ssh space IP address of server 2 within the server 1.
Okay, where you will run your SSH command.
Within server 1, in order to log into the server 2, I'm running the ssh command in server 1.
Okay. So when you run SSH keygen command, will it create only public key?
No, it will also create private key.
Ah.
Yes.
So your statement should be generic. To create a key, run SSH keygen command in server one, copy the public key and put it in the authorized hyphen keys in server two, where
Yes.
the folder called .ssh under authorized hyphen keys.
Yes.
Basically, we are appending it.
Okay. Yes. We are adding it.
Why we use ACP?
Sorry, which one?
SCP. I'm audible clearly?
Okay. SCP.
Have you done the assignment? Today's assignment?
No, sir. Today's I didn't do it. I didn't get time to do it. But the rest of the assignments I have done.
Okay. Explain SCP. You have to do it today.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
SCP. I think yes. To copy the files from one server to another server.
Can you give the definition for SCP? What happens when we use SCP?
I mean, the command is scp space hyphen p.
No, I don't want the command. Explain the concept of SCP. Just a
Okay.
minute, I'm getting a call. Please wait.
Okay.
Hello? Yes, Abhilash.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain ACP? I was expecting definition for ACP.
Yes. SCP allows us to copy a file from one server to another server.
Okay. And rsync?
Rsync also copies files from one server to another server.
Ah,
But as you said in the morning, when there is a network issue, uh, when we use SCP, it stops copying, and when the network is back, uh, it starts copying from the beginning. But wherein rsync, it starts copying. It resumes uh, from where it has stopped.
okay. Have you gone through the concepts, today's concepts?
Yes.
You need to go through one more time.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So there are some confusions. I can see confusions from your end.
Okay, sir. I didn't do the assignments of today, so I'll go through it.
That's okay. You can do it after the QA session.
Sure.
So go through the today's concept
Okay.
and work on the assignment.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Okay. How to get all the file of having the permission of 644.
Okay. Find space dot space hyphen type space f uh, space uh, hyphen perm space 644.
Okay. How to get a count of empty files?
Okay. Count of empty files.
Yes.
Okay. Find space dot space uh, hyphen type space f space uh, hyphen empty space vertical bar space
Vertical bar. What is it?
Sorry, I was just using pipe command. Sorry.
Don't say vertical. This one, the one you told.
Okay.
It's pipe.
It is just find, right? Find space dot space hyphen type space f space hyphen empty.
Okay. So I was asking the number of file count of empty.
Okay.
You put pipe and wc-l followed by your command. Are you confusing or are you getting a clarity here?
So WC hyphen L, is it?
Yes.
So that's what I was going to explain then.
That's what I was waiting for from you.
No, I was explaining that vertical bar in the sense I was pointing to pipe command.
That's what I told. Don't mention vertical column. It's pipe.
Okay.
Pipe wc-l.
Yes.
So use pipe because we have to pronounce with the same terminologies which is created by Linux community.
Okay. Sure.
So are you getting clarity or you are getting confusion with from my communication or what?
No, I got it, sir.
Okay. Dhananjay, you need to work, Abhilash. You need to understand the today's concept, complete today's assignment.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
How to replace a particular string in a file?
Replace a particular string. We'll use set command. Sed space single quote. Yes, substitute forward slash to be replaced forward slash and word to be replaced by forward slash g.
Okay. How to count a number of words in last but one column?
How to count number of words in last but one column.
Yes.
How to count number of words in last but one column. We have to use awk command for finding the last but one command, one word. Awk space hyphen f space awk space hyphen f space double quote separated by space. It acts as a delimiter and space single quote print space dollar curly braces inside that nf number of field -1 curly brace close flower brace close single quote then file name and then pipe to word count hyphen c.
WC-C.
Yeah, WC word count WC space hyphen c.
Okay. So why we use pipe?
Pipe used to forward the output of the first command to the next command.
Input to the next command.
Input to the next command.
Okay. So can you explain redirect and append?
Yes. Redirect and append. Redirect is a command used to update the output of the first command to a file. If the file has already the contents, it will get replaced by the output of the previous command. And redirect is like the output of the first command is attached to the content attached to the next file in the last portion after how to say it appends to the given file If that file already has some content, the output of the previous command will get appended to the last portion, maybe in the last line of that second file.
Okay, this will happen in redirect.
No, this will happen in append.
Okay, you mentioned
Redirect means if it's already required, it is already has a content means it will get deleted and appended by the output of the previous command.
No, I bit confused from your statement. Can you explain one more time? Redirect and append.
Okay. Redirect means it's a command used to update a file um, from the output of the previous command. So if that file has a content, it will get deleted, updated by the new output. That is called redirect.
Can you give an example for both the commands?
Um, ls space -l, that will list all the files or directories present in that particular directory, and a redirect command and space the file name.
Okay. Similar for append?
For append, ls space -l, the append command, and the file name, where the output of the first command will get appended or attached to the file which you are giving.
Okay. Fine. Lakshmi Putra. So, Dhananjay, have you completed an assignment?
No, sir. Actually, I'm working. I'll complete end of the day.
Okay. So, ping in WhatsApp group.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes. Yes, Lakshmi Putra. So, how to get multiple string in a file? You are on mute. You are on mute. Yeah.
Sir, multiple strings, sir. Grep hyphen e double inside the double quote string one, then hyphen e inside double quote again string two, then file name.
Okay. So, how to get all the files which is having a common string?
Is having common string. Okay. L ls hyphen
How to get all the files which is having a common string?
okay, sir. Kotte-
Are you able to understand the question?
yes, sir. I am a bit confused.
Okay, I'm asking here how to get all the files which is having a common string.
Means common string means, sir, like all the files which is like ending with some particular extension like that, sir.
No. How to get all the files which is having a common string. Okay, how to get a file with extension of .txt.
Okay, sir. Find dot hyphen name, then name, then double quote inside double quote star dot txt, then file. Yeah, file name. No,
File name. Then if you
no,
know the
no,
file,
no, sir, without file name. .txt. That's it.
why we use chmod?
To give permission to file and directory, sir.
Can you explain redirect and append?
Yes, sir. A redirect, it will give. So redirect will give output of a command to the text without if the file is already exist, it will uh, overwrite the file. In append, it will add to the existing file. Add to the existing file next to the in the file. It will add the output of a first command.
Your statement is not clear for me.
Sir, redirect. It will output of a first command will add to the file, sir. Output of a command will add to the file.
Okay.
File is already exist with some content. It will overwrite. This is redirect. In append, it will not overwrite. It will add in that content only.
No.
Without
See, your statements are not clear, Lakshmi Putra. So you need to understand the concept clearly and make a proper statement.
sir, actually append is used to attach, sir. Output of a first command, it will attach to the existing content, sir.
Okay, what happens if the content get existing?
It will add to the below, sir, below that content in append.
That's what, when you are making a statement, again, we should not ask a question on this. Don't create the doubts and don't create the confusions in your statement. Okay, see, you know the concept, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
You know the concept of redirect and append. You need to explain it. Don't create the doubt in your statement and don't mess the statement. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me how to get fourth column of a file and to count a number of lines in fourth column.
Fourth line. Okay.
Fourth column, how to count
Fourth column.
number of lines in fourth column.
Okay, sir. By awk will do, sir. Awk hyphen f double quote space double quote, then in single quote square bracket print dollar or then close floor bracket, then single quote and file name.
How to count a line then? See, I was asking count a number of lines in fourth column.
Then pipe I'll use, sir. Then pipe head hyphen 4.
Head hyphen 4.
No, it will print 4 lines.
Wait a minute. Can you explain head and tail?
Sir, head will print the top portion of the. It will print the content of top portion.
What about tail?
Tail will print the content of bottom of the contents.
Okay, but you need to understand the concept clearly and make a proper statement, Lakshmi Putra.
No, sir. Sir, actually, now I'm in office, sir. A little bit like with the free mind, sir. By evening, like I can make it, sir.
Okay, Madhumati. But you need to work more, Lakshmi Putra. You need to spend a lot of time.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Madhumati. So are
Hello.
you yes, you are audible. Created in started working
Yes,
on concepts.
yes, sir. I completed all the assignments, sir. Except for today's, sir. Today's is the remaining, sir. I will do it tonight.
Okay. Are you able to answer the questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Explain, append.
Append is used to write the output of a command to the file, sir. If there is a content present in that file, means it will write that it will append that content below that content. Sir.
Can you turn on your camera?
Yes,
Okay, no problem. How to get delete fourth line of a file?
fourth line of it.
Yes, fourth line of a file.
Not getting.
Are you able to
By
understand
is said hyphen I, said space hyphen I, uh, 4p 5
how to change the ownership of a file?
sudo ch own to own that information file names. Sudo ch on.
Okay. How to get all the directories which we modified 40 days ago?
It is enter. Then we use a find dot hyphen type f space f hyphen
I was
m
asking
type
you to get the directory.
hyphen r
Hyphen R. You will use hyphen R.
hyphen r type d sir, sorry, type d sir. Find dot hyphen type d hyphen m type plus 40 sir.
Okay. How to get a file based on size? See, suppose if you want to get a size of 100 MB.
Sudo space find space forward slash hyphen size plus 100 MBs.
Can you explain soft link and hard link?
Yes, sir. Soft link is a shortcut of the file, sir. If you do any changes in a file, it will get updated, sir. If you delete the file, then soft link will not work. Hard link it is also a shortcut of a file, sir. If you do any changes in a file, it will get updated. But when we delete the file, it will not. It will work, sir.
How to delete a folder?
Remove
Folder deletion.
RM hyphen RM RM hyphen RM folder name.
Okay. Naveen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Just a sec. Yeah.
Can you tell me how to copy a directory from one folder to another folder? I mean, different path.
Like different path, like CP, hyphen R, source, like source folder and destination folder.
Okay, how to check the file size?
DU hyphen SH and star or dot, sorry, dot.
Okay, how to check the disk size?
Disk size df-h.
How to check the Linux version?
Like uname -r.
Can you explain passwordless connection?
Yeah. Okay. So like if like I just created a server 1 and server 2. I just generated like SSH key with the help of the command SSH-keygen. It will create the private key and the public key also. I just copy the public key from the server 1 and just I paste it to the authorized key in server 2, and I execute the command like SSH IP of the public IP of the server 2, and I just enter. It will create the connection between server and server 2. Like I just control the, like I can
Okay.
enter the,
How to copy a directory from one server to another server?
like with the help of the ACP command, like directory or file, sorry,
Directory.
ACP command with the help of the ACP -r -p, like destination, sorry, source path of the folder space username. For example, I just use the Ubuntu. I just specify the Ubuntu at the rate of IP address of the another server, like second server IP address, public IP colon like path of the destination.
Okay. Purna Chandra. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Purna Chandra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain ACP and rsync?
ACP and RC both are used to move the files and folder to another server. In ACP, while copying from through ACP, if the network, if there is any network issue, it will stop copying, and when network is back, it will it will start from the beginning, copying from beginning. In the rsync, it will resume the copying from where it is stopped.
Can you tell both the commands?
Yes, sir. If for SCP, to run SCP, to move for files in SCP space -p source file space server name : / path of the file. For us, you have to server to for more copying moving directory, SCP -p source file space server name : / path of the file. No, before -p we should add -r.
Okay. Can you explain why we use chmod, grep and wc command?
So grep we use to check the particular pattern, and awk we use to print the content column in column, and sir, one more comment.
Chmod, grep and
chmod we use to give file permission.
Okay. wc?
WC, sir?
wc command.
WC to list the numbers of list the number of lines of folder, character and word. WC-L, WC-C, WC-W.
Okay. So why we use pipe in Linux?
Pipe, the output of the command, it will take output of the first command to the input. Output of the first command will be given to the input of the second command. Next command. Not exactly.
Okay, thanks. Pradeep R. Have you done the assignment, Purna Chandra?
Yes, sir. I did half. I will upload it after the class.
Okay.
Hey, hi, Sandeep.
Seeing assignment from Purna Chandra, Dhananjay, and Abhilash. Some are there. You guys can work on the assignment after this session. You can work on it and put it in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks.
Pradeep. Okay. Thanks. Yeah. So, can you tell the command to print last column of a file.
Okay, so with the help of awk command, we can print the last line, last column. So the command will be awk awk space hyphen capital F, a space, a field limiter, a space in between double quotes, and a single quote flower braces, print dollar np, close the flower braces, single quotes. Yeah, this should with the file name, this should help to get the last column, and n minus 1 to get the last but one.
Yeah, it's not $NP, it's $NF.
Enough.
So say like, let's give a scenario. Say like you have multiple directories, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
You are in your home directory, there are multiple folders. Inside that there are multiple subfolders.
Okay.
Select directory 2 will be having subfolder called directory 1. Inside that there is a file. Okay, you need to run a command from home directory to get replaced a particular string in directory 2. Inside that there is one more directory. Inside that there is a file. So how to get replace a particular string? The string name dev you need to replace with production.
Yeah, that is part of different folders.
Yes, different folder.
Okay,
So basically you need to run the command from home directory.
understood. To replace and substitute, we use the stream editor, sed-i, single quote s, / string 1. I think we can give the complete path on complete path of source dev / and the complete path of source the production that we are looking to replace, and /g, if that works.
Okay, so when you are running, how your set command will take that particular path. So how you are passing an arguments.
sed-i, so far we have just done the single strings, done within different folders, but there can be different arguments. I've not tried that.
Okay, so basically you need to run in a single command cd to that path,
Okay.
and you sed in another command. So you can alter that command. So for this scenario, because so we will be not having the time to get searched, and so we know that that file is present in this path. So we'll directly run the command and we'll get replaced. That file will be used to the next further automation.
Okay, so you mean we first get into that folder by using cd, and from there we change the
Yes.
cd command. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So how to change the ownership of a file?
Okay. Sudo chown, and the user name.
Followed by file name.
File name. Yeah.
Okay. So how to count number of non-empty files in particular in specific folder?
Okay. In a specific folder, so we use command find space dot that specific folder, and type hyphen type space. For directories we use d.
No, you need to get count of non-empty files in a particular
Files. Okay, hyphen type space f, and exclamatory hyphen empty.
Okay, from that command you will get a file, but how to? I want the count.
Yeah, pipe wc hyphen n.
Okay. So how to get a file based on the size? So let's say 60 MB.
Okay, we use parameter hyphen size, and plus 60 with the same command.
Okay. Can you explain the passwordless connection?
Okay, we use this method in order to overcome uh, manual intervention of authentication every time, or by doing the key pair. So from first server to the second server, if you are trying to do this passwordless connection, we run ssh-keygen. So this generates a key pair, and we copy that public key to the second server's authorization uh, folder, where we append that public key to that, and from the first server we SSH to the second server. This should automatically authenticate with the key pair, public key pair that is part of the public server.
Okay, based on your statement, there is no folder called authorized. There is a folder called .ssh in both the server.
Yeah.
In server 2, authorized -keys under .ssh folder.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Puneet. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you explain find and chmod command?
Find is used to get the location of a file, and chmod command is used to give permission to files and folders.
What is the port number for SSH?
22,
HTTP
80,
443,
HTTPS
DNS.
53.
Okay. So how to execute a command with root permission?
Sudo.
Okay. Why we use SSH?
To make a remote login to a server.
Okay. Can you explain ACP and rsync?
SCP will copy. SCP is used to copy files and folder from one server to another server. While copying a data, if there is any network issue, it stops copying, and if the network is back, it start copying from beginning in SCP. In rsync, it is used to copy files and folders from one server to another server. While copy, if while copying the data, if there is a network issue, it stops copying. If the network is back, it resumes where it got stopped. So.
Okay. So how to check the current running process?
PS-EF.
Okay. How to delete a particular process?
Kill -9 followed by PID number.
So how to get PID?
PS-EF.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Shabazz. Can you explain passwordless connection?
Sorry. Hello.
Explain passwordless connection.
I'm not audible, sir. Voice is breaking.
Even I'm getting background noise from your end. It is happening from your end. Okay. Meantime, Shishira GV. You are asking some doubt, right?
No, sir. I cleared that. I got clear.
Okay. Is your doubt clear, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. I was unable to create my account, sir, but it's done today.
Yeah. So it will show 15,000 only. You disable the auto debit. That's it.
Okay.
Actual debit will happen in only 2 rupee from your account, and it will get credited again. Concepts. Complete the assignment. Okay, Shabazz, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I was asking you to explain the passwordless connection.
Okay, sir. Password is connection. It's first we will available in server 1 and server 2. We will run server 1 in ss SSH hyphen keygen. After that, we'll copying the we will input the public and private key. We will use the public key, and we will add the public key to server 2 and basic authorization key. And after that, we will run SSH and IP address. It will be able to contact.
Okay, you got the error that you made.
Yes, sir. Still error, sir. What happened now? I will first log in. After that, we will once log out the server. After that, we cannot able to log in.
You are unable to log in of.
Yes. Yeah, first, I will exit that. After that, I cannot able to log in again.
You do SSH again for server. You
Yes,
are doing SSH to server 2 from server 1.
Yes, sir. Server 1 available, but server 2 is again. We will not log in, sir. We will try, but that particular server 2 then not log in.
No, I'm not getting your statement. So
first, no, sir. Basically, first server 1 we have, that is login, sir. After that, we will everything done. Exit the server 2. It will connect it.
Okay.
Exited. After that, I will try to log in another time. It will not log in, sir.
What is the issue?
Able to log in. Sorry?
What is the issue that you are getting? What is the error?
It's permission denied or something, sir.
No, you should not get permission denied. So once you are able to log in, then you should not get that.
Yes, sir. Permission denied.
Might be user you have written wrong.
Sorry?
User, whatever user you have write down, right? That might be wrong, because
yes,
I
yes.
also got the same error.
No. I will put in the Ubuntu also, that cannot log in. Multiple time I tried.
Okay, you change the key permission. You again generate the key. You delete the key.
How to change, sir?
What happened?
How to change, sir? I don't know how to change the key.
No. I'm not asking you to change the key. Delete the key. Under .ssh.
Yes, sir. I will 2 times deleted, sir. 2 times deleted and.
Okay. So if you are facing the same issue, okay, you change the permission of key.
Okay.
So.
Yes, sir. I will change CH mode. Using the CH mode, I will change. After that, it will come error.
What is the permission that you have given? What permission you gave?
444, sir. Like
Why 444?
Write and execution access.
444 won't work here. You give 777.
777. Okay.
Basically, user group and others should have the write and execution access. Read, write, execute. So give the complete access. Then try to copy it. Okay, similar permission should get reflected in your server too. Both the servers should have the same permission, then you should be able to log in. And you told you got the statement.
Sorry?
Are you able to understand my statement? So when you pinged an error, I was suggesting some to do on the passwordless connection. You told you deleted the messages in WhatsApp and you told got it.
Yes, sir. Photos, sir. Photos will delete it.
Photos. Which photos?
Yes, I will share the, sir. Errors photos.
That's what I'm saying. You deleted your messages.
Yes.
And at last you pinged got it. Are you still having a confusion or are you still having a doubt on it?
At that time, everything running, sir. I'll do it. But after that, once log out, then it will not enable to access again.
That's what I explained. Give the key permission, then do it again.
Okay. I will try at the end of the session.
You got this or not?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay.
Now change the permission.
Yes. You change the permission and do it. You do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Explain ACP and rsync.
ACP. Okay. It you use to file and folders one server to another server. If internet issues, it will be stopped, and again internet will be come. It will be copying from beginning. and rsync it same, but it will be resuming it where get it, stop it.
So what file and folder will do in SCP?
SCP file and
Can you
folder.
repeat your statement?
That is
You keep only for
copying,
SCP.
sir. Okay. Is to use to copy the folder and files to serve one server to another server. While copying the data, when network issue is coming, it will be stopped and back the network. It will be copying to beginning stage.
Okay. Can you explain soft link?
Soft link. One minute. Okay, soft link is a shortcut of a file. If we get change anything in a file, it reflecting in a link, and it okay, and if file will deleted, it will not working. The present content file will be deleted. It was not working.
What is not working?
The soft link will not working.
One minute, Shabas. You need to make a proper sentence and explain the concepts. Looks like you are not practicing the statements. Okay. And even though if you know the concept, you need to showcase, right? Even I keep on saying the same thing from day one, right? You need to showcase it, right? How you are explaining that it is with you only. You need to correct it from your end. But I want the definition for SCP. Okay. And you need to correct some grammar in it. Okay, don't worry about grammar, but I want the technical concepts that have to be explained from your end.
Okay, sir.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ.
Practice.
Your expression when you are turned on your video. Okay. That's what we are working very hard to shape the candidates. So we can guide you on whatever you want for an interview. And you need to work independently when you join the organization. Nobody will come and help you on this concepts, right?
Yes, yes.
How you need to prepare. Okay. Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me how to get seventh column of a file?
Seventh column of a file, sir. By using awk command, awk -f within double quotes space and within single quote and flower bracket print $nf in order to get the last column.
No, seventh column. I was asking
Seven $7 followed by the file name, sir.
Okay. How to count the number of lines in a file?
Number of lines in a file, sir. WC-L followed by the file name, sir.
Okay. How to get all the files which is having a common string?
All the files which is having common string by using grep -r-a string name star.
How to copy a file?
Copy a file, sir. CP followed by source file, then destination file.
How to rename a file?
By move command, sir. Move followed by source file and destination file.
How to delete a folder?
rm-rf followed by folder name, sir.
How to check Linux version?
Linux version uname-r.
Explain the passwordless connection.
Passwordless in passwordless connection is used to establish a connection between two remote servers, in which the inside the server one we are creating the keys, private key and public key, by using SSH-keygen. After creating the key, we are copying the public key, and we are pasting that public key in the .ssh authorized key of the server 2. we are appending the public key of the server 1, and we are saving that authorized key. And by SSH, by doing the SSH followed by the IP of the second server, we would be able to log into the second server.
Okay, thanks. Saujanya TR.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, can you tell me how to delete a folder?
RM-RF followed by folder name.
How to get a particular process which is running?
PS-EF pipe grep process name.
So, what is hard link?
It is a shortcut of a file. If we make any changes in a file, it will get reflected in the link. If we delete the actual file, hard link will work because it point to a inode of a file.
Okay, how to delete a particular process?
Kill -9 followed by PID.
How to check the IP address of server?
IP address of the server host name -9.
Okay, can you explain wget and curl?
Wget means used to get any data from the server. Like curl, it will read the URLs. Like it is in the form of HTML.
Okay, how to install a package in Ubuntu?
Like sudo apt-get install package name.
What is the port number for SSH?
SSH is 22.
Explain passwordless connection.
Like first created 2 servers, run the SSH-keygen in server 1 and copy the public key from server 1 under SSH file, add the public key in server 2 under SSH file and run the SSH IP address command.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Teja.
Sandeep.
Hi. What is the port number for HTTPS?
HTTPS is 443.
Okay, can you explain the difference between soft link and hard link?
Soft link, it is a shortcut of a file where if we add change anything in the file, it will be reflected to link also. But in soft link, if you deleted the file, soft will not work. Whereas in do you want to explain the hard link also?
Yes.
Yeah, where hard link is also similar to short link, soft link, whereas in it will if anything change in the file, it will reflect to the link also. But when we deleted the file, hard link will be existing because it will be pointed to inode.
Okay, how to create hard link and soft link?
For soft link, ln space -s and file name followed by the soft like what we have to create the soft one, the name. For hard link, ln file name and the soft link. Sorry, hard link name.
Okay. So how to get all the files of permission 600?
Sudo ch1 and the numbers like -per and the number like 670. We will get all the files.
Okay, why we use ch1?
ch1 will check to get the ownership of the this one per roots permission. Sorry, permissions numbers. Example.
Okay, can you tell the difference between find and ch1?
Find and
ch1.
Find we will use to get the strings and like get the where the values and all. In ch1 we'll get the permissioned files and all.
Okay, what values we will get it from find command?
With the find command we can get the sorry we Sorry, no, I'm not getting that one. I will check. Like I will go through that topic again today.
So find is basically to get the file location.
Okay.
So I was asking you to get all the files which is having a permission of 600. You need to use find.-typef-perm 600, correct? And
Okay.
you are using ch1 in it. There is
Oh, sorry.
command that ch1 that we use with along with perm.
Okay.
You will get an error from Linux.
Okay. I will go through that one today.
So how to replace a particular string in a file?
Particular string, we will go with the set space -i with the quotes s forward slash string 1 string 2 and string 1 slash string 2 slash g if double close and the file name.
Okay, what is S and G will do in Linux?
S is substitute and G is global.
Okay. You need to go through all the command and understand each command. Okay, Varun.
Hi, Sunny.
Hi. Can you tell me how to delete 10th line of a file?
10 line, yeah, using std-i within single quotes 10d space file name.
Okay, how to print a particular line using sed command?
Particular line using.
Like you want to print 4th line.
Got it. For that, to use std-n particular line number p within single quote.
4th line.
4th line. Okay. std-n within single quotes 4p file name.
What is redirect?
Basically, redirect is used to write the output of a command to a file. And in redirect, if the file has existing content, it will overwrite the content. And in append, it will write the output of a command at the end of the file.
Okay. How to create hard links in SoftLink?
Okay. Basically, SoftLink and hardlink is a shortcut to a file. We use ln-s space file name and space link name to create the soft link. For hard link, we use ln space file name space link name. And can I explain?
No. Explanation I don't need. What is pipe?
Basically, pipe takes the input of pipe takes the output of a first command and it provides it as an input to the next command.
Okay. Viresh. Thanks, Varun. Viresh Rasanna.
Thank you.
Okay. So, can you explain passwordless connection?
In this, we need two server. We created the preconditions. Two server created. After that, one for server one, we need to create. We need to do the SSH key generation. After that, we need to go to SSH folder, maybe a CD folder. Then we need to get the authorized. We need to get the public ID. We need to copy, and we need to copy to under second server. Under SSH authorized key, then we need to append the data. Then we need to connect the SSH IP address of server 2. Then we
are appending a key, not the data, and not the public ID. It's public key. So when we run SSH keygen, so both the key will get generated, public and private key. We copy only public key to get authenticated with another server. Yes. So can you tell me how to get last but one column of a file?
Yeah, we need to use the arc command. Arc -f double quote open and close and single quote print dollar $nf-1 file names followed by file name.
Okay, how to delete sixth line of a file?
We need to use the set command sed my -n and 6d followed by file name.
Okay, so why we use wget and curl?
Duplicate, we need to if you need to download the packages, we need to use that duplicate. Curl, we need to read the data URLs.
Okay, how to get an IP address of a server?
Hostname -i.
Okay, how to delete a particular process?
Kill -9 followed by the PID.
Okay, how to get PID?
PS-EF.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks.
Okay, Venkatesh Nukla.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Can you explain soft link and hard links?
Soft links and hard links are used to copy the files and folders. Sorry, 1 minute, sir. Soft link and hard links used to create a shortcut of a files. Whereas in soft links, if we modify or changes in any original file, the soft links and hard links will get updated. Whereas if we delete the soft link, if we delete the original file, the soft link won't work. In case of hard link, if even though we delete the original file, hard links will work.
Okay, how to create hard links in soft link?
To create the soft link, we use the command ln-s file name space soft link name. Whereas we use the hard link command is ln space file name space hard link name.
Okay, explain SCP and rsync.
SCP and rsync, we used to copy the files and folders from one server to another server. In SCP, while copying the files or folders, when there is a network issue, when we face any network issue, the copying will get stopped, and after when the network issue is solved, it will resume from the beginning. The copying will resume from beginning in SCP. Whereas the same situation we face in rsync, the copying will resume where it has stopped.
Okay, can you give the command for SCP?
SCP-p source file space user @IP address : file path.
Okay, so how to change the ownership of a file?
Sudo space chown space if it is a root space file name.
Okay, so how to count number of files, the extension that ends with .log. So I want the file count, the extension with .log in a specific folder.
Yes. Find dot space -type space d space -name space within the double quotes *.log followed by pipe followed by wc-l.
So when you're using -name, type f you won't use.
Sir, it's working. Yes, actually I tried, it's working.
Is it working?
Yes, sir, working, it's working. When I did the assignment, we had the assignment, right? It worked.
Okay, if it is working, then fine. So without -name, is it working? So in your command, find dot -type f -name, you point it. If
Yes,
we
sir.
remove -name, is it working with a similar command?
No. I'm saying like type. We are mentioning type. If it is working, we mention type.
Okay, then fine. If it is working, then fine.
Actually, I'm not using type here, but you asked for directory, no, sir. That's why I mentioned type space d.
No, for particular directory, if there are files extension that ends with .log for a particular directory, not the directory that we wanted to find it here. We want the file count of .log in a particular
Yes.
folder. So find dot in the existing directory.
Yes.
Okay. So how to delete fourth line of a file?
How to delete fourth line?
Of a file.
Z-I within the single quotes 4D space file name.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Vinayak. So how to get a particular string in a file?
Sorry, come again, sir.
How to get a particular string in a file?
With using the grep command. Grep -i, the string name followed by file name.
Explain append.
Append. So append is used to it is the output. It is used to write the output of one command to the output of the one command to the next file, and if the content is already exist in the file, it will add it into the next line.
I mean, below the existing content.
Yes, below the existing content.
Okay, how to create soft link?
ln-s file name followed by soft link.
Can you explain SCP?
SCP. So SCP is used to copy the data from one server to the other server. If there is any network issue, it will copying will stop and it will resume once
Disk size.
Disk size df-h.
How to copy a file from one. I have to give a permission to a folder with read and execution to user and read and write execution to groups and others.
Okay, chmod directory or folder? Directory, right?
Directory.
chmod chmod -r. Okay, 577 and the directory name.
577. Only read and write. Or
read and write. 5. Okay. Read. Sorry. Okay. Read is 4 and write is 2. 6. 566.
566 followed by?
Yes. Followed by the file name. Sorry, directory name. Yeah, directory.
Okay. How to get all the files which is having a common string?
Which is having a common string.
Yes.
Grep hyphen capital R hyphen L and the particular string name and followed by the file name.
Okay. So explain the pipe command.
Pipe is used to output of the one command will give to the input to the next command.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Vishnu Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you explain the passwordless connection?
So for passwordless connection, we have two servers, server 1 and server 2. In server 1, we have to create a key by using the command ssh-keygen. Then the key is created in the folder .ssh
where we got two private key and public key. We have to copy the public key and append it to the server 2 in the folder SSH in authorized hyphen key, where we have to append it the key, and after that we have to go to server 1 where we have to give the command SSH and the IP address of server 2. Then we have to get the keyless connection. So
Okay, how to get a file which is created within 5 days?
So for that we have to use find command. Find open slash. After that we have to type hyphen type F and hyphen end time. And sir, how many days, sir?
5 days. Within 5 days.
Within 5 days, sir. -5, sir.
Okay. So how to get a count of empty files?
Empty files, sir. For that we have to use the same find command in the same directory, sir.
Yes, in the same directory.
In the same directory, sir. Then we have to use for find dot F hyphen type F, and after that empty, and that's also. And pipe sign WC hyphen L for the count, sir.
Okay. Can you explain soft link?
Soft link is used to create a shortcut of a file, sir. In the soft link we have to use for it have the same content what we have in the original file, but when we have to delete the original file, the soft link will not work, sir. For that we use the command for creating the soft link is ln-s and the file name, sir. File name and the soft link name, sir.
Okay, how to create a hard link?
Sir, ln file name and the hard link, sir. Hard link name.
Okay, I think that's it, guys. Is Suhas joined in the call? Suhas there in the call? Suhas. I think he disconnected. Okay, let's connect tomorrow 7 a.m. Let's start with further concept.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.